Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Larry Swain, and I teach in the master's program at Signum University in the Department of Languages and Literature, and also teach in the space program. This video is to invite you to consider taking the ancient Greek modules that we have in the space program. We take our time, go at the speed that you, the students and learners, need to do rather than some sort of deadline or timeline that I've established. The goal is that we will be able to read texts in ancient classical Greek, whether that be somebody like Herodotus or Xenophon, or later reading in the New Testament, or going all the way back and hopping into reading Homer in the original Greek. And I can attest that there is nothing more beautiful than reading Homer in the original. Tough, challenging, but beautiful and moving. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.